Hey everyone! What if I told you that the same yellow dye used in your favorite snacks and candies could one day make human skin transparent? Yes, you heard that right. Researchers have developed a technique using tartrazine, a common food coloring, to make the skin of live mice transparent. This could revolutionize medical diagnostics and biological research. Let's dive into this fascinating discovery and explore its potential for the future of medicine. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The Magic of Transparency. So how does it work? Scientists at Stanford University and the University of Texas at Dallas applied a mixture of water and tartrazine, a yellow dye found in snacks like chips and candy, to the skin of mice. What happened next is almost like magic. Their skin became transparent. But there's no magic involved, just some clever physics. You see, living skin normally scatters light, making it opaque, like how fog makes it hard to see through the air. But when the dye is applied to the skin, it reduces light scattering, allowing researchers to actually see blood vessels and even internal organs under the skin. Chapter 2. Why is this important? This technique has huge implications for medical diagnostics and biological research. Right now, most medical imaging tools, like ultrasound, are expensive and not always accessible. This new method could provide cheaper, more efficient ways to look inside the body without the need for invasive procedures. Imagine doctors being able to see beneath the skin in real time using just a simple solution made from an everyday food dye. That's a game changer, and the best part? The dye is biocompatible, meaning it's safe for living organisms, including humans. Chapter 3. The science behind it. Now, let's talk about how this works. The lead author of this study, Dr. Zhao, explains that combining tartrazine with skin changes the way light interacts with tissue. Normally, light scatters when it hits skin, but the dye alters the refractive index, making the skin transparent. It's a bit like how fog clears when sunlight passes through. It's no longer scattered in all directions. Once the dye diffuses into the skin, transparency appears within minutes, and the skin takes on an orangish hue. The process is completely reversible. Just wash off the dye, and the skin goes back to normal. Chapter 4. Practical applications. So far, this technique has been tested on mice, where researchers were able to see blood vessels on the brain and internal organs like the digestive system. Although human skin is about 10 times thicker than mouse skin, researchers are optimistic that with the right dosage and delivery method, it could work on humans too. Imagine doctors being able to monitor blood flow, observe how our organs move, and even diagnose illnesses without needing expensive and bulky equipment. The potential for cheaper, more accessible medical diagnostics is incredible. Chapter 5. The Future of Biomedical Research. It's not just about diagnostics. This technique is expected to revolutionize optical research in biology as well. Right now, most optical imaging equipment, like microscopes, can't be used to study living tissues because light can't penetrate the skin. But with this new transparency technique, we could unlock deeper insights into how our bodies work. In fact, Dr. O and his team believe this method could help improve research techniques across the board, allowing scientists to study more detailed biological dynamics. Chapter 6. What's next? While this discovery is still in its early stages, the possibilities are endless. Dr. Wu's team is already looking into other molecules and engineered materials that could make this technique even more efficient. They're also working to understand the right dosage of the dye that would work best for human tissues. They've already applied for a patent on the technology, and it's backed by major research grants from organizations like the National Institutes of Health and the National Science Foundation. With this support, we might see this incredible technique moving from the lab to the clinic in the near future. To sum it up, this breakthrough could completely change how we approach medical imaging and biological research. A simple yellow dye, commonly found in snacks, has the power to make skin transparent, offering a glimpse into the body without the need for complex, expensive equipment. It's a futuristic technology that's closer to becoming a reality than we think. Source: University of Texas at Dallas. What do you guys think? Could this technology one day replace the medical imaging systems we use today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge scientific discoveries. Thanks for tuning in to Trend Storm, and we'll see you in the next video.